Pureology Hydrate Conditioner for dry color treated hair. I love this. If your hair is colored or you struggle with dryness, this one is really worth you to look at. So a few common questions that people ask is, how do I choose a right conditioner or hydrator for color treated hair? You want to look for something that's labeled like an anti-fade like this one is, and this one's specifically built for that. Another one, is it safe for fine hair? My hair is super fine, and it is a heavier formula, so you just need to make sure that you only do a little bit from like your mids to ends. You don't want to go super heavy on it just because it's going to weigh your hair down. So you'll have to figure that out once you get it. But I love it for, my hair gets super dry because I do bleach it and I have color also. So I use this, mids to ends sparingly. So I love this because a lot of drugstore conditioners strip your color from your hair. So this one, they made this formula specifically for that, to help lock in the color while adding moisture back. So this is for anyone who has color treated hair and is feeling like they need some hydration. That's why they call it hydrate. So this is a 9-ounce bottle. It's a professional formula. It's sulfate free, vegan free, and I shampoo my hair probably twice a week. I probably use this, among other things, every 2 to 3 washes. So, built for color treated hair. It's not a generic formula. It keeps the hydration in your hair and it doesn't weigh it down as long as you use the right amount. So overall, if you have color treated hair that fades fast, or your hair is feeling super dry, this is a solid switch to make. So I really like this. It's done great things for my hair, and I think you'll really like it.